Good morning, Eastview. Hope you guys are doing well today. Excited about the new unit of coding. The QOD is about a robotic helper that you would get, which should be interesting to see your responses. The next 2 days, you're picking one program to work on for 2 days. Okay, half of your grade is the reflection piece. Just want to make sure we're being clear on that. So your choices are Code Combat, Coding Art, or Star Wars Code 1. So you pick the one that you want to do that suits you best, whether it's this Code Combat. Maybe you're looking to do some drawing. Day 1 in drawing takes you through tutorials. Day 2, you actually are doing a blank canvas creation, which is pretty cool. And the Star Wars one, we'll see how far you get. It basically takes you with BB-8 through all these different missions. I do have a Star Wars 2 where you can create, which is really cool. Let me know if you get that far. But that's what we're doing today. You make one choice. You can switch, but I am expecting your progress to show 2 days of work. As far as minutes-wise, don't do more than about 25 minutes of coding on the program. That should be a good amount of time for a day's worth of work. So 25 minutes is the goal. Your grade is going to be based on feedback and progress. Hope you enjoyed the new unit.